Hi, I'm Bill,
And I'm Angela.
and you are on Funnest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill, your source for all things travel. We are taking you on a room tour. Actually, we're filming this after we did the room tour, so we're cheating a little bit. But of Old Key West, it's building 38 in the Turtle Road?
Turtle Hill.
Turtle something or other.
Road.
It's definitely a distance from the main building, but we'll have to drive over there. I think there's buses going around. We will be doing a full resort tour, take you around the different areas in the resort like we did at Saratoga Springs last week. And so far nice. So it's definitely a different feeling than Saratoga Springs was.
A little noisy. Looks like you got the
I think we in building 38. It looks like we're kind of, even though there's you'll see some woods, but it looks like we're up against a road. But that's okay.
Yeah.
So we will. So stick around. We'll do the room tour and let you know our thoughts. Probably at the end, we'll film our thoughts in a couple of days, so we've had the time to kind of see what we think.
Yes.
And again, thanks for watching.
And come along with us.
Okay, folks, room 3818 in Old Key West. Angela's going to take us on a tour. We haven't even really been in yet.
So I'll be learning as you show.
Okay. And what do we got here? Okay, closet.
Closet, vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
A little shelf for keys. Oh, big kitchen. Pretty big kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Dishwasher, stove, microwave, refrigerator. Empty cabinets, which is nice.
All right, let's go through the cabinets. Start over. You want to start over here and put some stuff there. Mixing bowl.
Garbage, recyclable action. Knives. Garbage, paper towels, such. Dishwasher.
Coffee maker. With Joffrey's coffee. And they give you some silverware and stuff. Dishwasher. And some pots and pans.
I think I opened this already. Cups. Plates. Oh, they even got little plates.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
This looks like it's
That's interesting.
corner thing.
Oh, yeah. Calendar and
Toaster. Blink. Which is good. Put stuff away.
wow,
Cutting board.
and a hidden Mickey on the stove like the other place.
Mm-hmm.
Cutting board. Cutting board's in there. Nice. Some more utensils.
Same refrigerator as
Ooh.
the last one.
And it's empty now, but will be filled soon.
And same freezer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is really nice. We got over here.
Hi.
More cabinets. More empty cabinets.
That's cool. Shelf up there.
Full kitchen table.
Yeah, huge kitchen table.
Oh, this is very nice.
Oh, look at this, Caitlin. Come on over.
Hello.
And you're famous.
Oh, look at that!
The Kingston and Bentley party.
But Bentley should be before Kingston if we're going to be alphabetically correct here.
Okay. And we have...
Which is really
couch,
comfortable
yes.
this time.
Oh, really good.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Little patio with a table.
Yeah.
Really nice.
I guess this would be a garden view, which is really garden. Probably want to check the alligators here, but... Oh, and the hidden Mickeys.
Yeah, check
We'll
the
take the
critters.
table.
Really nice.
Now, I think that's a bedroom, but how do we get there? Okay.
Should we lock this?
Alrighty. Hello, Michael. Oh,
Hi.
say hi, folks.
Hey, folks. How you doing?
Oh, this bathroom.
No, this is washer and dryer room. A full washer and dryer.
Oh, full size washer and dryer. That's nice.
This is the bathroom.
Okay.
Wow.
Single sink. Okay.
Shower.
Side shower.
Really? Oh, then you got another.
No
sink.
bidet. Have lights in there. Good. Ooh. Oh, another sink.
Yeah, nice size.
Mhm.
Storage. Wow. Wow. Jacuzzi tub it looks like.
Ooh. Are we at Secrets?
Yeah.
They have the, you could
Yeah.
shower in the nude.
Oh,
Ugh.
that's cute.
Oh, that is nice. Oh, really cool. Mickey and Minnie.
Full closet.
Leave that open for a second. This is really nice. They actually put my NYPD friends will know what a peddler seal is. This way, they'll know if these are used or not, and they need to wash them. Full-size closet.
Yeah.
And bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely an old QS feel. Oh, that's nice. Is that open?
Yeah.
Ah, drawers there. Nice.
Sit. Drawers here.
More seating over here.
2 end tables, which we didn't have with the other one.
Yes. Electric. Electric's a little bit more of an issue. I think this resort's a little older, maybe.
Could be. Well, there's we have outlets on both
Yeah,
sides.
there's an outlet over here, so I'll probably end up having to take that one. So there's for the CPAP. Lights.
Fan, ceiling fan.
Mm-hmm. And it's kind of cute. It opens up into if Angela can figure out how. Fire! I should figure it out. And we're back to the. Now this building is pretty far from the main building, but still nice.
Yeah. And then need a car to get to the main building to get soda.
Yeah, from here I think there's bus stops. Before we give you our final thoughts, we ask you to like this video if you're gaining some knowledge and some enjoyment out of it, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel. It's free to you, costs you nothing. You'll get notified whenever we post new updates. It really helps the channel out, and it also lets Facebook know that you're enjoying this type of content. Now, Angela and I have stayed at the majority of the Disney resorts. We stayed at the Saratoga Springs Resort the week before this, and we've stayed at most of the resorts in Disney World. This one we really loved, especially for a longer stay. There was plenty of room, a nice big stove, a refrigerator, plenty of room to work. Angela and I were also able to both work remotely. We did so most of the days that we were there, and shared the table, and there was plenty of outlets, and it really worked great for that purpose. It was very comfortable. It was the upkeep was good. It was a nice big room. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Michael. And in fact, Angela and I were both commenting that when it's time for us to downsize, and we essentially live on a cruise ship, that this is actually like kind of the perfect layout that we would love to have a small condo or something somewhere in Florida on the beach eventually. Now, before we sign off, we want to hear your thoughts and your comments on Old Key West Resort, if you stayed there or if you stayed at any resorts on Disney property, how you think it measures up. We're really interested in your comments and your thoughts, anything we may have missed. And also let us know your thoughts on the direction the channel is going. We're kind of focusing not only on cruises, which is our first love, but on some Disney, some Universal, and all-inclusive resorts. This weekend, Angela and I go back on the Disney Dream. We were on it in July out of Port Canaveral. We'll be back on it again this coming weekend for Labor Day weekend, and we will be producing some new content for that. Not exactly sure which direction we're going in, but if you have any thoughts and comments, please drop them in the comments below. We really appreciate it. So once again, on behalf of Angela, we appreciate you watching. We thank you for your time. As Angela would say, come join us. Bye-bye, everybody.